How to find the QR code on a Ring doorbell. All right, guys, in order to find it, just simply check the back of the doorbell. The most common place you can find the QR code is usually at the back. So if your device is already mounted, you may need to remove it from the wall in order to access the label at the back. So once you have, just simply scan it during your setup process and you should be able to, make use of the QR code. All right, and you could also try looking inside the battery compartment because some models with removable batteries, the QR codes may be located inside the battery compartment. So just simply remove the faceplate and slide out the battery to check. So it's just going to be the faceplate, you removing the faceplate and sliding it out and checking out the battery. Now you could also check the original packaging. So you could just simply check the original packaging. If you still have the original box, you'll find the QR code printed on the packaging or on the quick start guide with the device. And you could also use the Ring app without the QR code. So if the QR code is missing or damaged, you can still set up your device by manually entering the 5-digit pin located near the QR code. And if worst comes to worst, just simply contact Ring support and state your problem to them. And that's it.